Howdy, traders. Welcome to the Trader Daily Open. This is episode 6, April 27, 2022. Uh, keep in mind, trading is dangerous. Past performance is not indicative of future results. And again, the purpose of the Trader Daily Open is to take a look at the market. ES is specifically ES, MES, the market open after it's open to see where it is and then state the obvious and hopefully give some areas of interest or whatever. So, and try to be non-predictive and just speak to what the market is doing at this moment. So, and if it does go up, what's reasonable, and if it goes down, what's reasonable, and so on and so forth. So first, we will look at our economic calendar for today. And we have all yellow. We got a 9 a.m. Central pending home and 9:30 crude oil inventories for you crude oil folk out there. So we got those on the horizon. Now let's take a look at, how the market has opened. First, from a daily perspective, yesterday we said that there was a potential turn bar, which that was a potential turn bar, but we got a fake to the upside, and to those who were able to get on that train and write it down, and we identified, I think it was 4180, 4178 as a good spot for the downside. So if you were able to do that, you're a happy camper. But it took a level head and so forth to get that. So, anywho, so what we got yesterday was a big old outside bar. So that is a watch out. And now today we started a little bit up from where a gap up, which we'll see on the 240 on the real RTH, and we're heading up. But today's bar so far is obviously an inside bar, so we got a potential turn bar that was met by a potential continuation bar to the downside, and today we're getting one that is inside bar going back up. So things are hairy at this point. So you got to watch what you're doing. Mind your P's and Q's. That's on the long term. 240, like I said, we opened up from yesterday, but overall there's no huge gaps. We're above this. So on the intermediate type charts, up is valid, but when you get what we're looking at here, for me it's neutral at the moment. So and then we look at our 50,000 tick chart, we have a nice little impulse up, followed by a really nasty outside bar there again, and we have in somewhere in an impulse to the upside here. So it's interesting because we got bubble nets here, which again, bubble nets, these horizontal lines are areas of interest that tell you information regards to price. So anyway, it's at a potential interesting area at this point. Over looking at our 2000 tick chart, we were in a consolidation here, and lo and behold, we have a common thing that happens. We had an impulse down, we had a consolidation here, and fake downside, followed by a nice big answer to the upside. And now we are, as we're seeing on this chart, we're testing this swing high up here, which price's duty is to create new swing highs or new swing lows. So again, we're at an interesting area. So at this point, the vote is neutral. When we look at the overall markets, NASDAQ is going nuts to the upside, as it is wont to do. MES is up well over a percentage, and Russell is not quite at 1% up. So overall, the bias is leaning towards the upside. So that's where things have opened. So again, Remora, we preach a simple, repeatable, non-controversial way of doing trading, where you can learn to trade without energy in a low state where trading does actually become boring. So that's where that is at. So thank you for your time. Thanks for showing up. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new and have not subscribed. If you are interested in learning more about Remora theory, go to the website remora.academy and send a contact form or whatever, or you can send me a direct email, david@remora.academy. That sounds good too. So thank you. You all have a very good day and good luck. We'll talk at you later. Ciao.